Blessed morning, everyone. In Matthew chapter 7, verse 12, Jesus said, "In everything, do to others as you would have them do to you." This is a call to take the initiative. It challenges us to stop waiting for others to show respect, kindness, or fairness first. Instead, we are called to set the standard ourselves. In public service and in our daily interactions, it means leading with empathy. Before we speak or make a decision that affects someone else, we have to step into their shoes and ask, if I were in their position, how would I want to be treated? When we live this way, our authority becomes an avenue for genuine service, and our actions build